How to delete Twitter account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Twitter account permanently, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete your Twitter account, open up Twitter, tap profile icon from top left, go to settings and support and settings and privacy. Now from here you can go to your account and go to deactivate account. Now you might tell me that this is the option to deactivate it and not delete it. Well, that's not true. Twitter directly doesn't give you the option to delete your account, but how it works is that when you deactivate your account is going to remain deactivated for the next 30 days. If you don't log in within the next 30 days, then your Twitter account will get permanently deleted and you will not be able to retrieve them. So to delete your Twitter account, bottom line is that deactivate it, just leave it like that for 30 days. Do not touch it because it is as good as deleting it. It will not show up your profile in other people's feed, and after that your Twitter account will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete Twitter account permanently. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.